Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fake, I want you instead. If you're in the mood, we can tiptoe to the moon. If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two.
Hi guys! Welcome to our cooking show! And we are here to cook pork. So, first, let's wear our PPE. First, apron. The second is turning. So, let's cook.
So before we cook, we prepare all the ingredients. So my partner peel the potato, and also me, I prepare the garlic and onion first. So after he finished the potato, he also peel the carrots also. And me, I'll slice that onion and garlic into smaller pieces. That's it. I'll cut into smaller pieces, and after he finish her work, he also clean it and put it on a cellophane for easy to put in trash. After she finished peel, he cut also into smaller pieces the tomato and carrots. And after that, we rinse or wash the potato and carrots to make it clean. So after we prepare all the ingredients, we put it into a table, and also I'll prepare the fire. And after I make it the fire, I'll get the pan and place over the heat. And after that, I put the cooking oil. Add the diced potatoes and fry until they become golden brown. I'll stir it to cook both sides. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Using the same pan, fry the diced carrots until slightly golden and tender. Remove them and set aside with the potatoes. Add a little oil if needed. Saute the onion and garlic until fragrant and lightly golden brown. And add pork giniling meat, stir and cook until the pork is thoroughly cooked and no longer pink. Add water, soy sauce, and ground black pepper. Stir well to combine. Put the fried potatoes and carrots back into the pan. Stir everything together. And add the salt, oyster sauce, magic sarap, and tomato sauce. Stir well so that all the ingredients and flavors are evenly combined. Cover the pan with a lid, lower the heat, and let the pork giniling simmer until the sauce thickens and the vegetables are tender. Stir briefly so they remain slightly crisp and colorful. Turn off the heat and serve the pork giniling while hot. It's delicious with steamed rice.
This is the finish of our recipe we cook. The pork giniling.
So pork giniling is delicious, easy to make, and perfect for family meal.
dinner.
And let's eat.